Natural daylight in almost every room of the house, an expansive front porch, as well as a deck on the rear of the house overlooking the private backyard with fruit-bearing pear and plum trees. This beautiful home is located at 260 Dunleith Drive in Dallas. That's Georgia, because this ain't Texas. Woo! Hi, I am LaShonda Solomon, Associate Broker with Atlanta Communities Real Estate Brokerage, assisting buyers and sellers navigate the Metro Atlanta real estate market. This home is in a cul-de-sac location, has a living room with brick fireplace, a dining room, a kitchen with a breakfast room. It also has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a rec room in the basement. But I'm going to stop talking so you can finish watching the video. See you at closing.